A lot of people ask me, are these tents waterproof as they stand without the RAINFLY? And the answer is yes. Now, we got a big open door, we got some mesh windows. Those are not waterproof. But with all the canvas closed around this tent, yes, it is waterproof without the RAINFLY. It is highly recommended that when you first get your tent, you set it up, take out your hose, spray it down, get the whole thing wet, and then let it dry in the air. That way it expands and contracts those fibers and helps that be even more waterproof without actually using any aftermarket waterproofing products. You only need to use water. Now, if there's a monsoon and it is raining and raining and raining and raining and raining, you're going to want to put on the RAINFLY because there's a chance that all that rain could eventually start working its way into the tent. The RAINFLY is a material that is completely waterproof and isn't ever going to let a drop get in. Now, installing the RAINFLY is so much easier than you would ever think it would be. You can definitely use two people, but I do this by myself. Unfold the RAINFLY and lay it out on the ground. Looking at the COODY logos on the RAINFLY, you can tell where they are supposed to lay on top of the tent. Bundle up the RAINFLY in one hand, pull a lot of slack towards the bottom of the tent. You're going to throw this over the tent. So you're basically going to make a ball out of about half of the material. Throw this over the middle of the tent. Go to the other side, pull it down, straighten it out, then work your way back around to the other side, and as you pull on the RAINFLY, it will fall into place. Then you can just use the stakes you already have in place at the bottom of the tent to hold it in place. And there you go, that is on, and I am not surprised to see that even the RAINFLY has awesome upgrades. The first thing I notice in this one that is different and better than the original 17.2 is that this one has a pre-installed stove jack. Now, as I said earlier, a stove jack is where your stovepipe will come up out of the tent. It's a square of material on the top of the tent, surrounded by Velcro that lets you open up that square and reveal a hole for your stovepipe to come through. If you have the older model of this tent, you might remember me showing you how to install your own stove jack. This one comes with it stock. That is an awesome upgrade. This one also comes with 4 windows that you can open. Velcro across the bottom, zippers on the side. So when it's raining, you can have those closed, and when it stops, you don't have to remove the RAINFLY. You can just open up this flap and expose the window underneath. And it even comes complete with these little Velcro flaps here that you just stick on the already installed Velcro for the other windows to keep this from just sagging down. I'm telling you guys, this tent has just not ceased to amaze me the entire time. This thing is completely awesome. All the upgrades, everything about it, I absolutely love. After everything that I have just shown you, I can confidently say that if you are looking for an awesome family tent, or even just a utopia for yourself, this is the one.